Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to delete a single cookies in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to remove special set cookies in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open Chrome browser. After click on three dots, click on settings, scroll down, click on set settings, scroll down, click on cookies and set data. And here click see all cookies and set data. If you want to remove single cookies, so click on remove all. After click on clear all. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to delete a single cookies in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.